This is some big star from Bruce. North Korea says they stole plans for the F-15 fighter jet from South Korea. Hacking the computers. Stole the F-15 fighter jet. Plans from South Korea. Oh, watch this little bastard. He's a little conniving fuck. It's nobody to play with. This guy is nobody to play games with Kim Jong-un. Very dangerous man. Very dangerous man. Start a war at any time. Don't think he wouldn't if he don't get to get away with it. Thought he was strong enough to do it. This is what he's fighting towards. Somebody starting Bruce. So that's the way. Stole the F-15 fighter jet plans. You gotta guard your properties. You gotta guard your properties. F-15 fighter jet plans. South Korea. Building plants, building jets. U.S. Bandos. This guy's a metal case. This guy's a complete metal case. He hasn't gone up yet. He hasn't been into his role. He's been into his role. He's a psychopath. He's a sociopath. He's been into his role. He's a sociopath. He has no feeling for anybody but himself. That's why he's out in there and his wife. He doesn't care about anybody. It's a simple being stark from us. Thank you for watching.